y'all? This is your boy DMV Ken the Neo Simmer. We are right now cruising in Jocelyn, man. And so I'm excited because we about to push her and see how she go. This is my baby. You know what I'm saying? Ever since I was a kid, I've always wanted a CAMERO, bro. And when I had the opportunity to finally get one, I decided to go ahead and make the move again. It's not really a family car, as you would, you know. And one thing about wifey, she gets on me because it's not a family car, and she was like, we all can't fit in there. But sometimes you just gotta go ahead and make a purchase just because you want to have some fun a little bit. So it's a Chevy's, I guess, version of a sports car. Two-door joint. And I like it, man. I've always had one. I actually push it to the max. We do have a family car, and I also have a truck. That's a huge truck, a GMC Envoy. And so that's more of my family car, I guess. But I'm loving this ride here, and I just take it out and cruise. So I'm actually pushing today. I set up the GoPro so we can have the GoPro outside of the car, and you guys can get the first person view of me pushing her to the max. Now, one thing I can say about cars, you know, of course, there's cars that's faster than the Chevrolet Camaro. There are cars that will you know, because this goes up to about 160 miles per hour. And there's cars obviously souped up, because this is not souped and doesn't have any extra. It's basically factory standard. But I don't think cars are all about which car goes the fastest. I just think that it's really about the driver and how much are you willing to push to the limit. You know what I'm saying? Knowing that, hey, I can get pulled over, things could happen. How much are you willing to push your car to the limit? It's almost like the best jockey on a thoroughbred. You know what I mean? It's not about, I mean, because there's horses that are faster, you know what I'm saying? But it's about what jockey is willing to push that horse to the max and win that race, you know? So sometimes I pull up the cars that be, you know, they may come out the blocks and be gone, but you know what I mean? They slow up after a while, and I end up catching you and going right by you. So it's fun, man. I mean, it's a blessing and a curse, but sometimes when you pull up, especially the jokers that be in Dodges, they'll pull up to you and be wanting a race immediately. And you know, I try to be responsible, but sometimes, you know, you want to smoke. See, I named her Jocelyn because I know that we out here in these streets, and she's for all the smoke, you know what I'm saying? So if you pull up next to me, revving up, she quiet, but she thunderbolt. She'll give you all the she wants. You know what I'm saying? And she go quick, you know what I'm saying? You can hear her revving up. Like it don't take nothing to get her up there, you know. I gotta slow up. It don't take nothing to get her up there, bro. I was about to roll to it, and there's a cop right there. So I was about to get her gone, but bro, I mean, I gotta go ahead and slow her up because there's a police officer right there waiting, I guess, waiting to catch folks. So I decided not to go ahead and push her too fast. But we was revving up to get her going. We was revving up to get her going for real, bro.